If you've ever looked at your yard and thought, I just don't have enough space to grow much food, you're not alone. A lot of gardeners assume that the bigger the garden, the bigger the harvest. So they spread the plants out, plant in long rows, and try to grow as much as they can across a large space. But by mid-season, the garden feels overwhelming. Weeds start taking over, water takes longer, and the harvest often isn't as big as you've hoped. And we hear this all the time from gardeners who are working hard but not seeing the results that they expected. So many people believe that if they only had more land, they could grow more food. But what we've discovered on our farm is that production doesn't really come from the size of the garden, it comes from the structure of the garden. So when a garden is laid out like a traditional row garden, a surprising amount of space is not actually growing food. You have wide walk aisles, empty soil between plants, and long rows all reduce how much food the garden can produce. So water, nutrients, and time, they're spread across a large area, and much of that effort goes to maintaining the soil that isn't even growing crops. Over the years on our farm, I started experimenting with small, more structured growing spaces. So instead of spreading crops across wide rows, I began concentrating the plants into defined beds with permanent aisles. So the soil in those beds was built specifically for vegetable crops, and the spacing was designed so the plants could grow closely together without competing. What we discovered surprised a lot of people. So in our abundance garden system, we have documented harvests that produce up to 10 times more food than the traditional row garden in the same square footage. In fact, our demonstration garden that many of you have seen on the High Performance Garden Show is only 128 square feet, which is about the size of 2 king-size beds, and yet that small garden has produced almost 700 pounds of food in a single season, and it's done this year in and year out. That amount of food can feed 2 to 3 people, and the daily maintenance averages about 15 minutes a day. The difference is not luck, it isn't better seeds, it's the system. So we teach the Abundance Garden System. In it we explain that smaller gardens can outperform large gardens when they are designed correctly. So there's 4 main reasons for this. Alright, first, every square foot is used intentionally. When the beds are defined and aisles permanent, nearly all the space is producing food instead of being used as walkways. Second, plants grow close together, allowing leaves to shade the soil. The shade holds in the moisture in the soil and slows down weed germination. Third is water and nutrient stays concentrated. It's exactly where the plants are growing instead of being spread across wide rows and walkways. So fourth, small gardens are easier to maintain. When we grow in areas that are compact and organized, watering, harvest, and caring for the plants becomes far simpler. When the pieces come together, the garden begins working with you instead of against you. So the encouraging part about this is you don't need a large piece of land to grow a productive garden. So in many cases, a well-designed small garden will outperform a much larger traditional garden while requiring far less time and effort. So instead of managing a large space that constantly needs weeding, watering, imagine walking out into a compact garden where every bed is productive. The soil is rich and alive, and the plants grow closely together, protecting the soil. Harvest becomes simple because everything is within reach, and the garden becomes something that feeds your family without taking over your entire schedule. So if you'd like to learn the foundational principles behind building a garden like that, go ahead and download our free guide, Grow More Food with Less Work, the 8-step Abundance Garden System. So inside the guide, I walk you through the structural framework that makes these gardens so productive, from bed layout to the spacing principles, so you can build the right foundation before you ever plant. Find the download link in the description below.